Hello friend, welcome back to Hawkstack channel. In today's video, we will learn how to mount and unmount the file system in RHEL. So we have to see how to mount and unmount file system. So basically, our main target is mount and unmount. How we are going to mount and unmount. So first question will arise, what is the mounting? Mounting means attaching a disk or partition to the Linux file system. After mounting, we can access the file and folder inside that disk. So, first task will be create a mount point. For creating a mount point, we are creating the directory. So, mkdir slash mount 1. I am creating first, it is a mount 1. Then I am creating some other also, mkdir mount 2. One more, mkdir mount 3. So we have created the mount point. This command create a folder where we have to mount the disk or its partition. If you want to check the availability of disk, check the available disk and partitions. How we can check it? There is a command lsblk. This command help you to check. This show all the disk and partition connected to your system. So after it, what the things you will get as an output? We are getting that these are some devices, some disk are there, and this disk having partition VDB1, VDB2, and VDB3. That is the reason I have created mount 1, mount 2, and mount 3. So the next step will be go and mount the partition. For mounting the partition, we have to write mount command, then the device name. You have seen the device name is VDB1. The full path will be slash dev slash VDB1. After it, you have to write the directory on which you have to mount. So mount underscore 1. After it, right now, if you just observe on the right hand side, there is no mount point, the last column for mount point, and till now for the VDB1 there is no mount point. Okay, we are here, we are just looking for it. Mount, then device name and the directory where you have to mount. Hit enter, it is mounted. So this mount the device slash dev slash VDB1 partition to the mount point or folder slash mount underscore 1. If you want to verify it, you can check with the help of lsblk. In lsblk command, you can check that this device VDB1 is now mounted on mount 1. So there will be multiple command to verify, just like df-h, disk free information will be here. So slash dev slash VDB1 is mounted on mount 1. So this is the method how you are going to mount it. If you want to unmount, it is also possible to make it unmount. Unmount the partition. If you want to make it unmount, how it is possible? You have to use mount command and the device name slash dev slash VDB1. You can verify again lsblk. Now there is no mount point on the right hand side. df-h, there is no such information are there. So we have seen how to mount and unmount. But what the process we have done, this process is known as temporary mounting. This method, when you are performing, this method of mounting a partition to a directory will consider as a temporary mounting. If you want to make it permanent mounting, or it is known as persistent mounting, for making For making the persistent mounting, what the things you have to do? You have to open the etc fstab file. There you have to mention the information about it. So what we are going to do? We are going to open the etc fstab file. In the fstab file, we can open and we can give the data. Or one things that you can do directly here, just do the echo command. In echo command, mention your device slash dev slash vdb1. Then after it, you have to mention means what is your mount point. I'm mentioning mount 1. Then you have to give the file system. Okay. So if you want to check what is your file system for this specific device for the VDB1, how you will come to know? I'm just showing you how you will come to know. I'm making as a comment so that there is no impact. Then we have to check it. How we are going to check it? lsblk-fp. FP is responsible for showing the full path. So you can check this is your partition and this is the file system. Now go ahead, echo, then slash dev slash vdb1, then mount point. I'm considering as a mount 1. Then file system is XFS, then defaults 0 and 0. Just do these things and store in the location of etc fs tab. After doing this, you have to do one task which is systemctl daemon reload. Whenever you are making some changes here, it is your responsibility to go and make your daemon reload. If you want to check, you can go with the mount -a. If there are some issue related your mounting, it will show you. Now we have done. Just check with the help of lsblk. You can check you have your disk VDB1 and it is mounted on mount 1. Means everything is working fine in your system. And in this way, if you are mounting any partition on any mount point, so it will be persistent across the reboot. If you are rebooting, still your system is showing your mount point. So, friend, that's all for today video. We will start the new video in next time and we will cover some other topic. So that all for today. Thank you.